Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today in our video, we are trying to use different types of crayon colors in a craft paper. So the first picture we are drawing is a sunflower. So we are using a orange and yellow crayon and shading it. Next, we need to draw a leaf. So we are using a green crayon and shading with the green crayon to the leaves. And next, let's draw a watermelon. So we are shading a red crayon, yellow crayon and a green crayon. Same way to the next part. And let's put a dots, the seeds, and just shade with the yellow. And here's a watermelon paper craft. Let's move to the next paper craft crayon drawing, that is drawing a face. And then it's a giraffe. We are drawing a giraffe. We are drawing a body. And we are drawing an eyes. Then lightly with the white crayon, we are shading the eyes. Let's use a brown crayon and shade the body by circling it. So giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. So here's a beautiful giraffe crayon shading, and we are just shading the leaves. Let's go to the next part. We are drawing a crocodile. So first we are drawing a body and the eyes and the big teeth, shading with a green color crayon to the body. And let's take a black crayon and line them the eyes, lips and the nose. And let's draw the tail with the orange crayon, shade them all over the body, behind the body, and line with the green crayon. Next, we are just drawing the cherry on the face. Let's move to the next part, drawing different types of cherries, and then we are drawing a leaves connecting to the cherries with a red crayon. And we are drawing a leaves and light green crayon and shading the leaves to all over the cherries that are connected. And here's a beautiful cherry flower frame done in a craft paper sheet. And then let's move to the next part. We are drawing a mongoose. So first we have to draw a face and then ears, and then shade with a brown and light yellow crayon and draw an eyes with the black crayon and the nose. And again use a brown crayon, draw the tail and shade the body, and draw the legs and shade with the pink, and draw the leaves with the green crayon. And here's a beautiful mongoose drawing crayon.